in real time, providing a personalized approach to health and wellness. By analyzing subtle changes in skin texture, wrinkles, and pigmentation, HandAge provides insights into our overall health and aging trajectory. This data can be crucial for early detection of age-related conditions and for tailoring skincare and health routines to individual needs. Another groundbreaking technology is T-cell reprogramming, using AI to reprogram immune cells to target and eliminate senescent cells. These senescent cells contribute to aging and various diseases, and their removal can significantly impact our health. By selectively removing these harmful cells, T-cell reprogramming has the potential to rejuvenate tissues and organs. This could lead to breakthroughs in treating age-related diseases and improving overall longevity. These technologies are just a few examples of the exciting innovations emerging from the intersection of AI and aging research. As we continue to explore and develop these advancements, the future of aging looks more promising than ever, with the potential to transform how we live and age.
Section 5. The Dawn of a New Era. The rapid advancements in AI and aging research are ushering in a new era where aging may no longer be an inevitable decline. These technological breakthroughs are not just theoretical, they are being implemented in real-world scenarios, showing promising results that could redefine our understanding of aging and longevity. The implications of this paradigm shift are profound, touching upon every aspect of human society. From healthcare to social structures, the potential to extend healthy human life has far-reaching consequences. It could change how we plan our lives, our careers, and even our relationships. As we stand on the cusp of this longevity revolution, it is crucial to engage in thoughtful discussions about the ethical and societal implications. Questions about access, equity, and the moral dimensions of extending life must be addressed to ensure that these advancements benefit everyone, not just a privileged few. The future of aging is being rewritten, and it is our collective responsibility to shape it in a way that benefits all of humanity. By fostering a collaborative approach that includes scientists, policymakers, and the general public, we can navigate this new era with wisdom and compassion, ensuring a brighter future for generations to come.
Section 6. Hopeful Future. With each scientific breakthrough, we move closer to a world where age-related diseases are a thing of the past. The promise of a future where aging is not synonymous with decline gives us all something to aspire to. Section 7. Call to action. Now more than ever, it is imperative that we support and invest in aging research. This is not just about extending life, it's about enhancing the quality of life for everyone. Let's embrace this journey together, advocating for policies and funding that prioritize aging research. Let's work collectively to ensure that the benefits of these advancements are accessible to all, creating a future where everyone can age with dignity and vitality.